a raw zucchini salad. We've got those beautiful zucchinis. I've already prepped the yellow gold bar and the green zucchini, but I'm going to show you how the best way to do this is. So we're going to take a mandolin and one of the zucchinis and just slice ribbons. Now you can use one of those noodle, if you want to make noodles out of it as well, or you can you can use it.
Right, you can make like a cold salad. Right.
Yeah.
You can make like a little zucchini salad. So now we have all that beautiful zucchini. Now what?
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're just going to put this in a container. Actually, this is a beautiful casserole dish that I got on the Rachael Ray show when I made chicken pot pie, and I kept it. One of my favorite dishes. And we're just going to salt this. We're going to salt this, and we're going to let this sit for 20 minutes. And then after it's 20 minutes is over, we're going to rinse it and put it on a paper towel so it looks like this. Beautiful, nice strands.
Oh my God, look how much there is. Yay!
The salt breaks it down and sort of just makes it a little less tough. And it's really
tender,
really
nice and tender.
Tender, yeah. So we're gonna actually take some lemon zest, and look at this. I've been working with this one girl who used to work with Daniel Boulud, and look at this awesome technique she taught me how to zest a lemon. You take it the other way, and look at how much zest you get out of that.
Oh, you get long, pretty strips. Gorgeous.
Yeah. Her name is Summer, and she's very, very awesome. So I'm just going to put some zest in there. Like summer itself. Yeah. I've got a third cup of lemon juice. I'm going to do a third cup of olive oil, EVOO. And
nice.
Yes, very nice, very healthy.
Dressing, lemon and olive oil, yum.
That's it. I'm going to take one garlic clove and just
paste it. Yep.
Paste it through here, and I'm going to just mix this all up. Some salt and pepper, more salt, more pepper. And then I'm going to pour this on top of here and let this sit in the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours, and it'll all break down and be super delicious.
And so soak up all that flavor, right?
Yes. I mean, you could take a garlic clove and smash it, and then take the garlic clove out if you didn't want all that garlic flavor. But I love a garlic flavor. So then this is what we have. TV magic right here. So this is what we have. So now we're going to plate this beautiful. This has been 46 hours that this has been in here. We're going to add about a quarter cup or a half cup of feta cheese. Add that in there. About 2 tablespoons or more of pine nuts. We'll add some on the top as well. And we'll toss this up.
Beautiful.
We've got some chives.
So simple.
We've got a bunch of mint. Maybe some basil.
I love mint with zucchini.
Yeah,
so good.
Mint, basil, zucchini, chives. And then we're just going to plate this up, and then we're going to add a little bit more garnish on top. Super yummy.
Gorgeous.
Super lemony. And look at how beautiful the strands are. Like beautiful ribbons. Like, how pretty that is. We're going to add a little bit more.
It looks like pappardelle, but it's zucchini. It's so healthy.
What do you say we taste it? Taste it, Rachel. Here we go. A little bit of feta. You could leave the feta out too if you want to,
If you wanted to make it vegan, sure. But honestly, David, that is so gorgeous. And if you put it with any grilled protein, dinner would be complete, It's so beautiful.
It's so good.